Hi, I'm Lois Vogel-Sharp. Today is 10/20/21. And at 12:40 this morning, I got these words from the Father. And I pray in Yeshua's name that the Holy Spirit would touch you with the words that He had me write down. I want my people to know how much I love them and that everything is going to be all right. Fear not what man can do to you. I have evil under my control, and all things truly do work together for good to those who love me and are called according to my purpose. Trust me with your lives. This world has much sorrow, for evil has done much damage, but Yeshua will return and things will be restored. Rejoice, my people, for your redemption does draw nigh, and my spirit is there to comfort you always. You look too much to this life for your answers of happiness, and you do err because this world is fleeting, and I am the only one who can fill you with myself. Your strength comes from me and always will. So let me love you and give you peace and be joyful in knowing all will be restored. For now, comfort one another with my spirit of love and keep your focus on wonderful things. Look at the beauty of nature and the animals that bring such joy to your souls. Music brings healing to your hearts and souls when you worship and praise us. Take time to truly stop and smell the roses and know nothing was made that was made without Yeshua. He is the King of glory and will return. Love one another, for when you do, it brings comfort to your souls. Know this, that I have called you by name, and your names are written in the Lamb's book of life. I love you forever. Love, your Father who art in heaven. And I'm Lois Vogel-Sharp, and I'll be back when He sends me back again, and have a blessed day.